Howdy! Welcome to Daily Tech News by Vidatha. This is Aluka.
Today's date, May 16, 2023.
Today's headlines. WhatsApp introduces locked chats for enhanced privacy. Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 and Z Flip 5 launch date revealed. Oppo Reno 10 series launching soon with groundbreaking features. Infinix Note 30 series global launch on May 30th. OnePlus Ace 2 Pro specifications leaked. Microsoft brings basic iMessage support to Windows 11. Lava Agni 2 5G, unveiling a stunning display and powerful performance. Nothing Phone 2 A065, Geekbench leak reveals Snapdragon 8 Gen 1. Let's dive into the news. First up, we have some exciting news from WhatsApp. They have introduced a new feature called Locked Chats, allowing users to add an extra layer of security to their private conversations. In breaking news, mark your calendars. Samsung has announced the launch date of the highly anticipated Galaxy Z Fold 5 and Z Flip 5.
Get ready for an immersive and foldable smartphone experience on July 26, 2023.
Attention Oppo fans! The Reno 10 series is set to make its debut on May 24th in China. Stay tuned for cutting-edge technology and innovative features from Oppo's latest lineup. Exciting news for global smartphone enthusiasts. Infinix is all set to unveil the Note 30 series on May 30th. Prepare for impressive performance and stunning features from upcoming devices. Leaks and rumors are always intriguing, and this time it's about OnePlus. The specifications of the OnePlus Ace 2 Pro have been leaked, hinting at a Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chipset and a curved display. Stay tuned for an exceptional flagship experience. Microsoft has some exciting news for Windows users. They have completed the rollout of basic iMessage support on Windows 11, bringing enhanced connectivity and messaging capabilities to the platform. Get ready for a new addition to the Lava family. The Lava Agni 2 5G is coming soon, featuring a stunning 6.78-inch FHD plus AMOLED HDR10 plus curved display, a powerful Dimensity 7050 chipset, and a versatile quad-camera setup. Stay tuned for more details. In an unexpected twist, we have news from Nothing. The Nothing Phone 2 A065 has been spotted on Geekbench, revealing some specifications. While it features the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 chipset and 12GB RAM, tech enthusiasts were hoping for the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1. Let's see what Nothing has in store for us. Breaking news! Realme 11 Pro Series 5G launching soon. Get ready for an incredible smartphone experience as Realme gears up to launch the highly anticipated Realme 11 Pro Series 5G in June, both in India and worldwide. Brace yourself for a whole new level of performance, innovation, and 5G connectivity. That wraps up today's tech news highlights. Stay tuned for more exciting updates and make sure to subscribe to our channel for daily tech news and in-depth reviews. Until next time, stay curious and embrace the world of technology. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your tech-savvy friends. Stay tuned for more exciting content, and we'll catch you in the next one.